In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thank you page on Systeme.io in just 5 minutes. Whether you're optimizing your sales funnel or enhancing your customer follow-up, this thank you page is essential for providing a seamless experience. So, let's get started with this quick and easy process. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Systeme.io. This platform is an all-in-one solution that simplifies the process of creating funnels, automating email marketing, and more, perfect for entrepreneurs wanting to streamline their online business. Once you've landed on the Systeme.io homepage, you'll either want to log into your account or sign up if you haven't done so already. Signing up is easy and straightforward, just follow the prompts provided. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Systeme.io dashboard. This user-friendly interface is where all the magic happens. Next, look towards the menu and locate the Funnels section. Click on it, and it will take you to an overview of all your existing funnels. Now, if you're already working on a specific sales funnel where you'd like to add your thank you page, go ahead and select it from the list. This allows you to seamlessly integrate the thank you page right into an existing workflow. On the left side of the funnel's dashboard, you'll see an Add Step button. Give that a click. A pop-up window will appear, and here's where you choose the nature of your thank you page. If it's meant for a lead magnet, select Thank You Page under the Opt-in stage. Alternatively, for purchase confirmations, pick the Thank You page under the Sales stage. Systeme.io offers a selection of templates to choose from, each designed to fit various needs and styles. Browse through these templates, and when you find one that resonates with your brand or purpose, click on the Select button. Upon selecting your template, you'll want to click on the Edit Page button to dive into the customization phase. The Systeme.io page editor is intuitive, allowing for drag-and-drop functionalities that make customizing a breeze. Here, you can add or modify the text and headlines to reflect your message. Change up the background images, inject a bit of personality with videos or other graphic elements, and if it's a sales thank you page, consider adding an order summary element. You can also stylize buttons and links to guide user actions effectively. Once you're satisfied with the edits and the thank you page looks exactly the way you envisioned, don't forget to save your work. Saving regularly ensures that you won't lose any changes, keeping your workflow efficient and stress-free. And there you have it, a fully customized thank you page ready to enhance your customer experience on Systeme.io. With this simple process, you've taken a big step toward building a more dynamic and engaging relationship with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy funnel building.